Hey guys, you cannot add a traditional discount code on Zara because the company does not offer them. Instead, they apply promotions and discounts automatically to eligible items during checkout. So you can select this product, for example, and wait for a few moments and buy them, right? If you want to buy the thing, the shirt, the hoodie, whatever, okay? You're gonna select the product and add it to your basket, okay? And select your size, okay? And they will add this product to your basket. Hit view, hit continue, and they will add automatically promotions to that product, okay? To get a discount, shop during a sale or special event and ensure the discount price is reflected before you complete the purchase, okay? Or you can go to a website called saudi.alcoupon.com and get your coupon codes and try to apply them if your favorite product does not have a discount code per se, okay? And you can go ahead and hit get a coupon code for this, right? And wait for a few moments and copy the code the discount or the promotion code basically, and try to apply them at checkout. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.